guys, how's it going? Got a quick overview of a bike rack. Um, this is probably the second one I bought in the last couple of years. They do a quick unboxing. Retails for about $36, I believe. This is what it comes in. It says made in China to Canada. Cool. Knife needs to be sharpened. Okay, that rack is pretty big, which is good because it needs to hold my batteries on my bike. Not bad. The last one I had bigger welds here, but they look like they'll hold. They're not. It's not super thick, which might be a little bit of alarming when I put 100-pound batteries on it. But we'll see how it holds out. We'll see if it bends. I'll post a review on it. Or yeah, pretty much. It's thick enough that it'll hold the my panners pretty good. Let's see what else we got here. These are the arms that go to the rear of the bike for support. And how these are supposed to work is these slide in here for adjustment. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm probably going to end up modifying this anyway. This will go in the frame, which I'll probably put some rubber in there, unless it comes with rubber. Let's see. I don't know. Let's see what else we got here. I'm hoping it comes with the rubber strips because that would make my life easier. These are the pieces that go on the side of the rack to keep your bags from slamming into the wheel. They're strong, very light aluminum, super light aluminum, aircraft aluminum by the feel of it. It comes with a tie wrap, which is kind of cool. Okay, so it does come with that. It comes with a wrench set to put it up, set it up, Allen keys. This is what I was worried about, clamping directly to the frame, but they thought of that and took care of that. They supply you with a couple of chunks of thick rubber, thin rubber. That works. And then all the bolts you need to assemble it. For $30 is not bad. Like I said, we'll see how it stands holding batteries day after day and hitting potholes. It is fully assembled. If you do have a lot of weight on it, you can. It's not totally welded to the railing. You can loosen those 3 screws there and slide it over. If it's heavier, put it towards the front more. There's not a lot of play in those hooks on the panner hooks on the batteries. But once I adjust them, I'll move these up and have them butted up against here. They won't be sliding around, but they do click on pretty easy. One thing I'll probably do is I'll make something that goes from here to here. This way, those hooks on the side, the light aluminum, will bend over time, and these will start, tilting in. Because every time you hit a bump, they're going to swing and bang, bang, bang. So you want something to keep them from doing that. So we're going to have to beef up the bottom of these brackets. Maybe I might bolt something from there to there underneath the very bottom. Just to give it some support. So when these slam together, they're not bending those bars in. And I'm also going to weigh them too, because I think we're almost at the limit. 110 pounds is the limit for this rack. and these are pretty heavy. I'll probably end up installing it with the rack adjusted as close to the C tube as possible. This way this bar here doesn't bend. But this will work. Let's take the batteries off and weigh each one of them, see what they're actually weighed. They're pretty heavy. Yeah, when I built these batteries, I never really tried to weigh them, so. Hello, wake up. But now this thing is dead. Hello. There it goes. The magic 16 pounds. That's not bad. Let's do the other one, see what it says. Now this one here is a little bit heavier. Error. Oh, I guess you gotta tap it first. Oops. There we go. And it's ready to receive. 16.6. So they're pretty much the same. They don't feel like it. I'd say that scales off just a bit, but we're still within the 110 pounds. But like I said, I'll probably still move that railing up as high as it'll go. Keep the batteries as close to my seat as possible. But this will work. I'm going to make something that'll bolt from here to here. Maybe if I can find a rod thin enough, I can drill a hole through it, bolt it through, and do it that way. We'll figure it out. Or tie wrap something to it. Cool. Later, guys.